Hi, I'm Marla from Marla Plain and Small, and today I'm going to show you how to take those holiday leftovers and turn them into 3 sandwiches for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let's get started. Maybe you have guests staying the night and you need to have something ready for breakfast. So grab that leftover turkey and ham and let's make a biscuit board. There's almost nothing better than homemade biscuits made from scratch, but we're just going to grab some biscuits out of the freezer and pop them in the oven. Because who wants to do even more complicated cooking the day after a big meal? Nobody. Bring out the sweet and savory toppings like butter, honey, cream cheese, your favorite sliced cheese, whatever sounds like the perfect breakfast sandwich to you, that's what you'll need to make this up. You can add fruit and nuts to add some visual interest to your biscuit board. This is the time to pull out that charcuterie board that maybe you haven't really gotten use out of. But if you don't have one, don't fret. You can use cutting boards, decorative plates, a cookie sheet. Really, don't stress about what this looks like. This really is just about having something to serve for breakfast the next day using what you have from the previous day. Every year at my husband's request, I make a jalapeno cranberry relish to serve with our main meals. But it's really the star of the show when it comes to leftovers. You put fresh cranberries, a jalapeno with the seeds removed, fresh lime juice, cilantro, salt, and sugar all in a food processor. Then you're going to pulse it and then stir to combine. Stick it in the fridge overnight so that those flavors really have time to develop. It gets better when it sits. So to make the cranberry croissants, you're going to slice a croissant. You can butter and toast the croissant if you want. Put your meat on there, put a dollop of that cranberry relish, and then top it with cream cheese, toasted brie, whatever your favorite cheese, and you suddenly have a bistro-worthy sandwich. I've saved the best for last, smoked turkey salad. It's like chicken salad's older sister. I recently discovered turkey salad when a friend brought me some as a gift, which isn't food as a gift pretty much one of the best things that you can get? And I know it might be exaggerating to say that it was life-changing, but I'm gonna say it anyway. It was life-changing. If you find turkey bland and boring, but still find it necessary to serve as the main meal, turkey salad is the answer to your leftover woes. We're gonna add white and dark meat to a food processor and pulse until it becomes finely shredded. Then we'll stir in boiled eggs, mayonnaise, dill pickle relish, garlic powder, and salt. Spread it on whatever leftover bread, rolls, biscuits, croissants that you have. It's good on everything. You even could just serve it with crackers. You could top it with the cranberry relish if you really want to amp up the flavor. And I won't judge if you go hide in your room to eat it so you don't have to share it with anybody. It'll be our little secret. Leftovers don't have to be boring or something to dread. Let's minimize food waste and find ways to reuse those foods that we kind of get tired of after 1 or 2 times. Let's make leftovers something we look forward to eating. Now, I'm gonna go grab some turkey salad.